In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut not available in the App Store on iPhone. If you're searching for CapCut and it doesn't show up in your App Store, it usually means the app isn't available in your current region. I'll walk you through a simple method to get it to appear using a VPN and a quick update to your App Store, country, or region. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone. In the Search tab, type VPN. You'll see a list of VPN apps. Download any reputable option with good reviews. A VPN helps route your connection through another country, which can be helpful if an app is restricted where you are. Once the VPN is installed, you can leave it alone for a moment. We'll come back to it only if needed. Next, change your App Store country or region. Open the App Store again and tap the profile icon in the top right. At the top of that page, tap your Apple ID. Scroll down until you find country region, then tap it. Choose Change Country or Region. From the list, select a country where CapCut is available. United Kingdom is a good example, but any country where CapCut is listed will work. Review the terms and tap Agree to Continue. When asked for payment details, select None. This ensures you won't be charged. You'll also need to enter a billing address that matches the country you selected. Keep it accurate and complete so the change goes through smoothly. When you're done, tap Next and give it a moment to update. If you want to double check, you can return to the account page and confirm that the country or region now shows the one you chose. Now head back to the search tab in the App Store and look up CapCut. In most cases, you'll see it appear. Tap Get to download and install it as you normally would. If CapCut still doesn't show up after changing the region, go ahead and open the VPN app you installed earlier. Connect to a server in the same country you selected, such as the United Kingdom. Once connected, return to the App Store, search for CapCut again, and you should now be able to find and download it. That's all there is to it. With a quick region change and a VPN if needed, you can access CapCut even if it didn't appear before. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more straightforward iPhone and CapCut tips. Thanks for watching.